Pressure sandblast machine. Equipment at composition. Pressure sandblast cabinet encloses the blast room to provide efficient blast cleaning work while maintaining a clean surrounding work area. Pressure sandblast machine consists of blast cabinet, separator, blast machine, and dust collector. Application. This machine can clean the surface of forging and casting parts, welding parts, components after heat treatment, pressing parts and machining parts to granulate, dismantle, desalt, and deburr. Meanwhile, surface treatment before electroplating or painting and coating. Working principle. Compressed air flows quickly via the air pipe. With pressure push of compressed air, the abrasive chew on the surface of the workpieces to achieve the effect according to requirements. Features. A. Advanced design, brief, incredible structure, easy to operate, good effect with low consumption of energy. Features. B. Equipped with cyclone separator, which is able to separate the dust from a usable abrasive efficiently. Features. C. The main component is of good quality to ensure the safety and use life of the machine.